Hello everyone, I am Zabaish Abdi and you are watching Shamish Learning. Today I am going to show you how to take some basic body measurements accurately for pattern drafting. You can follow along with the photos on the screen to get a better idea of how to measure these points. So let's begin. For the round bust measurement, wrap the measuring tape around the fullest part of your bust, making sure that the tape is snug but not too tight, right? Keep it parallel to the floor, and once you have the round bust, add 2 centimeters to each side. This means you will have to add a total of 8 centimeter to your round bust measurement to allow for comfort and ease. Next, we will measure the round neck. Place the tape around the base of your neck where a necklace would naturally sit, keeping the tape comfortable and not too loose. This is your round neck measurement. Now let's move on to the waist. Find the narrowest part of your waist, usually just above your belly button. Wrap the tape around this part, but make sure you are able to breathe normally. Center back to waist length. For this, you need someone's help. Measure from the nape of your neck, which is where your neck meets your shoulders, down to your waistline at the center of your back. This is your center back to waist length. Now to measure the armhole length, wrap the tape from your shoulder down around your armpit and back to the shoulder. Ensure the tape sits comfortably in the armhole. For across back, place the tape across your back from one armhole to the other, measuring shoulder blade to shoulder blade. This is your across back measurement. And now for the across front, measure from one side of your armhole across your chest to the other side. Keep the tape flat and measure from where the armhole starts on each side. For bust separation, you can calculate bust separation either directly taking measurement or using formula, that is round bust divided by 10 centimeter. So finally, for high shoulder to bust point, measure from the top of your shoulder close to your neck down to the bust point, and this will give you the exact distance from the shoulder to the fullest part of your bust. And that's it. These are all your key measurements you need for pattern drafting. Be sure to take them accurately and write them down. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment, and I will be happy to help you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.